How to fix iPhone App Store not updating applications. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, scroll down, navigate to the option of apps, click on the App Store. Now, enable for these options, app downloads, app updates, in-app content. Once you enable for these options, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you want to do is head back, navigate to the main page of settings, click on the option General, click on the option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, head back, click on the option Software Update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update it to its latest version. Next up, head back, scroll down, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings. Now type in your passcode and go through the process. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is close this, launch your App Store, click on the profile icon given at the top right corner, scroll all the way down. You'll see the option of Sign Out at the very end. Click on it and log out of your account. Wait for a few minutes, give a fresh restart to your device, and then again launch your App Store and sign in back. With these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Now you'll be able to update any application in your device. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.